What's up? Gotta pump up those MTB tires over here. Yeah, I'm not really looking forward to walking to pump those tires up, man. So we can get this red bike running. I just need to get some sandpaper, sand this down. I'm thinking, should I just take off the swing arm? Maybe. Well, we'll do a little bit of work on this then. I'll show you guys some clips. I'm gonna work on this red bike. Yeah. Not too bad. Wrong train stop.
Hey?
Brother.
Oh, we want us on the train.
Brother. Anything to say, Fleck, though?
A nice day, we active.
Not too bad. What's up, boys, for coming out? Wanna say anything for the YouTube video, boys?
Oh, no, not really.
We're here at Evo Cycles, waiting for the bro to fix his bike. Later, boys.
Baby, I'm in my zone. So, come on. 190 proof subline in the shiny.
Got it for $50. It was listed for $300. No way I'm paying $300 for this. It's like 50 bucks. Yeah, safe. Just needs a carb. some CLR, calcium, lime, and rust remover. WD-40 mirror way. You get a Rev limiter box, CDI limiter box here. I don't want to start taking out the plastics. Just don't want to take out the plastics. It was like all snapping because it's so brittle, the plastic. Yeah, I definitely need to get some sandpaper, yo. But no money, I'm broke right now. I'm gonna go get changed in some better clothes. I'm still in my PJs right now. Alright. Thank you for the 100 subscribers. I think I'm at 103 now. So I'm from 0 to 103. Such a short time. Thank you guys so much. And my last video got 1,000 views. Crazy. Thank you guys. Don't know what to say. We'll take out that swing on me. Let's go. Alright. Use that chain guide. Ended up fixing this tire. Pumped it up and all that. Just haven't bolted the front on. Went to pump this tire up. But check out the seal in there. Not the seal, I mean the tube. And also needs to be CRC'd. This tire is perfectly good. Alright, that's it for today's vlog. Gave my carport a massive cleanup. Heaps of room to work. Yeah, big thank you to my 102 subscribers, and especially the ones that have made their subscription, what do you say, how do you say it? Their subscription public. Thank you for that. It's the start of something, you know. Every little thing counts. And you guys help me, means a lot. Thank you. I'll definitely remember my first 100 when, if I ever crack this big YouTube scene, we'll have a massive party, all of us. Alright, that's it for today's vlog. Gave the, oh my lord.